It's raining again. It's raining. Look at this rain. Look at this dude. What was that? Rain. There's rain right here. Look at all this rain. Dang, I think this is more rain than the last time. It's like falling more. No, it's probably because it's falling faster. Dang, this is like, it's like falling fast. Dang. Dang, it's going in like waves. Like, look at the wind. Look what the wind's doing. My power just went out and went back on just now. So I got out my camera and started recording. You see? Oh, stupid light again. Hold on. Don't look at my hall. You hear that rain? Let me turn off my light. Dang, it's dark in here. Hey, wait. That's a bunny. Okay, now, oh my gosh, it looks even worse like this. Dang, the rain got even worse. Oh my gosh! Bro, those waves are going big. Oh my gosh. It's pouring so hard. It looks like if somebody went out there for like 2 seconds, they'd be soaking wet like they were just in a pool. Oh, I just saw lightning. It's raining hard. Oh my gosh. Bro, it's raining hard. What the heck? You saw that big behind fly? Or was that a leaf? I don't know. It's raining hard. Dang. Oh, look at the trees shaking. Okay, wow, it's raining hard.